Good morning, students and viewers. In the last class, we have discussed up to the properties of irreducible representations. We have completed up to third points. Now, the fourth point is two irreducible representations must satisfy the following conditions. So, if it is I is equal to j or I is not equal to j, here the product of two irreducible representations xi and xj, here the R is a symmetry operation of in the fifth class. So here the H del ij. So H is the order of the group, del is the Kronecker delta value. Here the I and j is the dimension. Here suppose p is equal to 1 to k, summation of p is equal to 1 to k, gp xi rp xj rp is equal to h del ij. If I not equal to j, the two value are separately I have written xi and xj, that is rp written as usually equal to 0. If I is equal to j, this xi equal to xj, so we can write the formula here, xi rp the whole squared value is equal to j. So next one is character table. How to construct the character table for C2V molecules, because character table is the important property to explain all the symmetry elements associated with the particular molecule by the way of point group. Point group is nothing but all the symmetry elements form combined to form the molecular group. That molecular group is actually called as point group. So here the C2V point group for the water molecule, I have written just the formula. Here the C2V belongs to 4 symmetry elements. So here the table column, first one, the second one, third one, fourth one. The table column contains the 4 sections. In the first section, explain the what are the various symbols are present in the particular molecular group, that is a point group. So C2V, E, CZ, sigma V dash, these are all belongs to the Schoenfeld symbol. So here the in the column A1, A2, B1, B2, these are all belongs to Mulliken symbol. So there are, what are the symbols are used in the first column, explained by the section 1 in the table column. The section 2 explains character for all symmetry elements. Character for all symmetry elements of the irreducible representations. Character for all symmetry elements of the irreducible representations. So the third column explains the Cartesian coordinates of properties of Cartesian coordinates. The third section explains the properties of Cartesian coordinates. Cartesian coordinates, we know that x and y and z axis, these are all called Cartesian coordinates. So I have written here z axis because C2 belongs to the z axis, or x or y and or z. Here the fourth section, the byproduct. What is the product that can get from the after completing all the symmetry operations, x square, y squared, z squared. This belongs to the A1, for A2 x y, B1 xz and yz. This value we can explain in the following way, because these are all belongs to the some more calculation are involved in the this getting the one value of or minus 1 or plus 1 or 0 value. Here the total symmetry operation 2a1 b2, 2a1 plus b2. These water molecules obey Abelian group law, as well as all the rotation, all the vibration are active in IR and Raman spectroscopy, because if the molecule having the center of symmetry, one of the vibration or rotation mode which will be active in IR, that will be inactive in Raman spectroscopy. Here we need not discuss about the Raman and IR spectrum. With this table, just I have written 2a1 plus b2 is the belongs to the symmetry operation of the product, sorry, Cartesian coordinates of y product system. Here all the rotation and vibration are active in IR and Raman. Here I have written here character. What is the meaning of character? We have just noted xi and xj is the character. This xi and xj get it from the symmetry. It is a diagonal matrix of the product. Character means the diagonal matrix of the sum of the diagonal matrix of the products is known as character. Here the reducible representation in the brief class. So there are one more rule. The properties of irreducible representation. All the matrices belongs to the same class or identical to each other. So all the matrices belongs to the same class or identical to each other. These are the properties of irreducible representations. Now, how the water molecule obey the properties of irreducible representation, that is explained in the easy way, because what we have tell in the last class, properties of irreducible representation. The first point is all the symmetry elements is equal to all the properties of irreducible number of symmetry elements, that is equal to the number of symmetry classes in the particular point group. So first point is, for example, H2O molecules have the 4 symmetry elements, that is a E, C2, sigma B dash. So number of irreducible representations is equal to number of symmetry classes in the particular point group. The second one is the sum of the square of the dimension of the irreducible representations is equal to order of the group. So if you square the value of 1 1 1, so all the symmetry elements having only one value, if you square the one value, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the last one is equal to 4. So the order of the group is 4. So H2O molecules obey the properties of irreducible representation. The second point. So the third point, the sum of the square of the character of the identity operation. What are the characters are present in the water molecule? These are the 4 characters. So if you square the value of all the 1 equal to 4, that is the order of the group. In the fourth point, we need some calculation here. Now we are not going to write the calculation because it takes some time very long. So what is the 2 irreducible representations? If you must multiply and cross the product obeying the z-axis or omit the z-axis, you consider any 2 Cartesian coordinates, that is the x and y value. It gets the value of, if I is equal to j, it gets the value of order of the group, that is a 4. If 2 irreducible representation, just to square the value, 2 square is equal to 4. This value, if you multiply the value of the 2 irreducible representation for the I not equal to j, it gets the value of 0. These are the properties obeyed by the H2O molecules belongs to the C2V point group. One more thing is, we can draw the diagram how the water molecule obey the abelian group law. And how to construct the multiplication table for the following compounds, H2O molecules. Group multiplication table. Group multiplication table. Here there are 4 symmetry elements, E, C2, sigma V dash. Here the C2V, the water molecule, E, C2, sigma V and sigma V dash. Here also E C2 sigma V dash. The multiplication product on the first column and the first row give the value of same E C2 sigma V dash. Here also if you multiply the value of E with any value, the actual value get C2 sigma V dash. Here also the second row, multiply the value of C2 into C2, that's the value of E. C2 into sigma V dash. C2 into sigma V dash, sigma V. Sigma V into E, gets the value of sigma V. Sigma V into C2, sigma V dash. Sigma V into sigma V, it's become E. Because if you cross any two product of same symmetry classes, it gets the value of identity. Identity is nothing but the rotation or the symmetry operations does not do anything on the molecule, because the original configuration get very easily. So the E value sigma V, multiply the value of sigma V into sigma V, that get the value of E. Sigma V into sigma V dash equal to C2. Here sigma V dash into C2 sigma V. Sigma V dash into sigma V is equal to C2. Sigma V dash into sigma V dash equal to E. There are 4 value. Now the group multiplication table for water molecule. The molecular point group is C2V. This consists of 4 symmetry elements E, C2, sigma V and sigma V dash. Now, how the water molecules obey the abelian group law? The water molecule, draw the diagram of water molecule. Oxygen here, hydrogen 1 and hydrogen 2. So this belongs to the C2V point group. Here this is a sigma V vertical plane. The plane which is contained the principal axis of symmetry, that is called sigma V plane, or the plane should contains all the atom present in the molecule. That is a sigma V plane. Here also one more plane is sigma V dash. Here the H2. This is just rotate the molecule. Sigma V dash. This is belongs to the H2O molecule and C2V point. If you perform the operation of C2 dash, that is rotate 1 times, the molecule H1 replace and added into the second hydrogen atom, that is oxygen. Here the hydrogen 1 becomes 2, here the hydrogen 2 becomes 1. So if perform the operation of sigma V, here the C2 into sigma V dash. So sigma V dash means the molecules just rotate in the second time. So oxygen here H1 is equal to H2. Or you can perform this operation the another way. Sigma V dash. Here the sigma V dash H2 becomes H1, H2 becomes H1. If you perform the operation of C2 1 times, the original actual molecule will get the configuration of H1 and H2. So these are the important theorem in the group multiplication table. So the water molecules obey the abelian group law. With this, the group theory is almost completed. Thank you, students and viewers.